friends, we're in my backyard and there are lots of birds back here. Can you hear them? Yeah, they're chirping and singing away. Well, I'm going to turn the camera around and I have my binoculars here that I showed you how to make, and you can take yours and look around and see what kind of birds you can see and hear in your own backyard. Okay, I'm going to flip the camera around real quick and then we will go looking. Friends, I'm going to do the best that I can, holding on to the binoculars and the camera at the same time, but I can already tell that we are going to see a lot of birds today. So let's look through the binoculars and we're going to look around and see what we can find. Oh, shh. Okay, be quiet, but I think I found something. I found a little owl. Oh my goodness. There's an owl there. I wonder what the owl sounds like. Can you make an owl sound like that? Okay, some birds prefer water. Some like to live in the weeds. Some like to live in trees. Oh, I think we spied something. Let's zoom in a little bit more and have a look. What did we find here, friends? What do you see? Oh, I see some. They have big beaks. Do you remember what bird we read about in that book that have very large beaks? It's good guess. It's not a toucan. These are pelicans, and it looks like a mama pelican in a nest with her baby pelican. All right, let's back up and give them some space so they don't get nervous. Oh, let's look up. Oh, there's a birdhouse. Do we have any visitors in our birdhouse? Let's take a look. All right, let's look in the birdhouse. Oh, do you see that? There's a beak. There's a beak sticking out. Can you see it? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm trying to get a better grip of my camera here so that I can open up the birdhouse and see who's inside. Who is that? You want to come on, jump on my finger, buddy? Now, friends, if this was a real bird, you wouldn't touch it, right? But of course, we know that these are just for pretend. Look at that. Who is this? It's a woodpecker. Woodpeckers make holes in trees. They find their food when they do that. All right, we're going to put him back in his birdhouse. I wonder how he fit through this small hole here. Okay. All right, bye-bye, woodpecker. All right, let's get our binoculars out and see, oh, if anything's on our pond today. Oh, there's some birds in our pond today. Let's see how close we can get. Can you see the birdie in the pond? How about that one? Oh, that's a goose. And there's another kind of goose. Let's take the binoculars down for a minute and we'll take a look. Wow, they're swimming on our pond. How neat is that? All right, let's see. Oh, if we're really quiet, we might find another bird that lives in a nest right next to the pond. Let's get our binoculars out. See through our binoculars? There they are. Oh, it's a beautiful trumpeter swan. She has a baby that hatched in her nest. So she's staying in the nest with her baby and looks like she's right up against the weeds right by the pond. She has a good hiding spot. Okay, so she's in the nest with her baby, so let's leave her alone too. We're gonna do one look around. See if we can find anything else. Ooh, there's a tree. Anything in the tree? Do you see anything? Oh, what's that? Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's zoom in our binoculars. Oh, sorry about the shaky. What do you see in our binoculars? Wow. Some rare bald eagles. They do like to hang out in a tree. Nice catch, guys. Okay, we'll zoom back out and back away. Okay. Oh, friends, we really found some amazing birds out here today. And do you hear the other birds? Yeah, they're really out here. I've been walking around looking for birds, and some of them kind of flew away. They didn't want me to get too close. It's kind of hard. So yeah, it's been wonderful. We found an owl and some pelicans, and we found some geese on the pond and some swans in a nest. Oh, and don't forget about the woodpecker in the birdhouse and the eagles in the tree. There's so many birds out here. So I hope you enjoyed our bird week. I love doing this week. It's so much fun. It's so exciting. And I hope that you will be able to go on your own bird scavenger hunt also. So make yourself a pair of binoculars, just like the ones that I showed you, and then you can go on your very own bird watching scavenger hunt. Have a great weekend. Next week we will be back with more nature for Pond Week. Bye. Girls, there's a robin. Do you hear it? You see it hopping around? I can't get any closer or it'll fly away. But you can see it a little bit right in the center.